Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our last video on how to use Cadastra, and we shall be looking at coordinate transformations. There is a system among surveyors where they use what we call array parameters, but they work this way. Like he has the coordinates, the northings and eastings. Then he uses parameters such as 301 and negative something. So you find somewhere someone is using these ones and some other person uses other coordinate, other parameters. I tried to do the same and make a comparison and did the transformation using the correct software. This is what I came up with. I got different coordinates all over Uganda, and you can see here, this is the change in the northings. You have 301.9, then and negative 82. But these change in the northing and the easting, they are varying. You can see this is 301.8, this is 0.9, this is 82.1, this is 82.6. And here we have almost 302. Here we have 300, and you can see even 298. That's a difference of 5. And the other one was 82. You can see even I have 79. So this system basically doesn't work if you are a serious surveyor. The only way to do that is by using coordinate systems transformations. Coordinate system transformations is made up of complex calculations, and if you use parameters, basically you are doing what is called translation. You are translating, but it has complex computations. I'm not selling you this software not to use this one. There are many ways you can do the coordinate transformations. I'll show you some. One is, this is Circle Uganda. This one is what the Ministry of Lands is using, and I think that's what they developed. You can do the transformation within this software. You can go to this website. I leave the link down, ugrfgo.ug. Then you download. This is the software. After downloading it, you can install it. Another way is, it is online. This is the website, tool online, then coordinate converter. You can choose, like for example, you look for Uganda. Then the coordinate system, you give it a few minutes. Then you also choose where you're converting it to. Then you can press this one. The other method is there is this software called Franson coordinate conversion. It's another software. You can open it. This is it. You can upload a file. Start. Then next, you choose a file. But of course, this one you pay for it. This one is paid. It is not free. So the best ways is to use this one, but of course you are limited to only coordinate systems in Uganda, and this tool online, because you can even access it on a mobile phone. Like for example, when you don't have a PC, you can do some coordinate transformations. You can even import a file and it will do the transformations for you. Now let's get to our coordinate transformations. This comes with the Cadastra software, and I'll show you how basically it works. Let's open it. Then it has two modes. When you click next, this one is when you want to work out with only a single coordinate. For example, I want to convert from WGS to ARC 1960. I want to convert maybe 1 and 1. That's the coordinate I want. You can put 1, 1, then you press this button, it will convert for you. But let's use the real coordinates. This is our northings and this is our eastings. We did this in the previous video. Let's copy this and we paste them here. These coordinates were in ARC 1960. We are going to change that. Let's say we are changing from ARC 1960 and we are changing them to WGS 84. The hemisphere is north. If it is south, you can choose south. Then you can press this button. So these are the coordinates in WGS 84. You can also take them to longitudes and latitudes. You can press this button. It will convert them for you to longitudes and latitudes. That's how basically it works. But you can also import a file. You can press from file. Then this button, you browse the CSV file. What we shall do, this one is an Excel format. Let's save it as let me save it somewhere near, maybe at the desktop. Let me save it inside there. I save it as comma delimited. Okay. Now for this software, it works with only two rows. The first one should be the northing and the next one should be the easting. You can have others, but basically the first two must be the northing and the easting, or else it will just do what? It will just bring out errors. Even if you have more data here, no problem. So we can exit. So let's browse and we go to desktop. We go to cadastral samples. It's just here. These are the coordinates CSV. We open. It will give you a sample of those coordinates. And the input coordinate system, yeah, they are in ARC 1960. The hemisphere is north. We can next. And we are taking them to the input coordinate system is ARC 1960. And we are taking them to WGS. That's okay. If you want, you can choose other coordinate systems, but basically, let's do that. You can export. Do you want to open this file? It's okay. Let's open it and see. So this is the output. These are the original coordinates, and these are the output coordinates. There are other coordinate systems that have been input like ITRF 2005, and within the future, we are transforming from ARC 1960, and so soon we are switching to ITRF 2005. So I encourage you to get used with working with ITRF and ARC 1960. If you have some time, if you have some complications, you can always refer to this software and convert your coordinates from ARC 1960 to ITRF, WGF, WGS, or latitudes and longitudes. So basically, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much, and thank you for being all around from the start of the video up to when we are coming to the end of this video. I encourage you to support me and help me keep this software free, and give me support so that I can continue developing more and other softwares like this, like the cadastra, by recommending your fellow surveyors to me to buy from me the instruments that are advertised in the Excel cadastre. Thank you so much. Goodbye.